guys, welcome back to my channel, Michi Makes Up. Today we're going to take a look at the new Westman Atelier Squeaky Clean Liquid Lip Balm. I have 3 shades and we will do swatches, lip swatches. I'm actually wearing one of the shades right now. It is glossy. It gives you a really, I guess, healthy, hydrated looking lips. These lipsticks are made in Italy and have a shelf life of 18 months. Let's take a look at the product description from the website. Squeaky Clean Liquid Lip Balm is a tinted clean lip treatment that cushions lips with weightless, juicy nourishment to hydrate and protect. Naturally derived pigments, squeaky clean ingredients, and an innovative gel oil system impart an unforgettable, pillowy, luxurious sheen. I do agree with that. I think it does look very pillowy and it has certainly a very noticeable sheen. It's on-the-go liquid color and hydration you can feel good about. Wear alone or layer over lipstick to add depth and shine without stickiness. No parabens, no PEGs, no talc, no phthalates, no synthetic fragrances, no animal testing. Well, I feel good about wearing a lipstick that is so clean and conscious with ingredients. In my Sephora sale recommendation video, I did say I'm gonna get, or on my wish list was a bunch of Westman Atelier items because I want to try and really dive into clean makeup. I've tried a number of items that are considered clean at Sephora, but also even under the EWG rating system. I'll have a link below of EWG, but basically it's a free to use database where you can input different makeup brands. You can even punch in ingredients. Sometimes the product itself is not in the database, but you can search for the ingredients and see how they're rated. And I believe these lip balms, while they're fairly new and they're probably not in the database, I didn't check, you can certainly get a feel for Westman Atelier's formulations through the rating of their other products, which are on there. As for the packaging of the liquid lip balms, they are very sturdy and weighty. They come in a pouch with a drawstring, and both of these components sit inside a box. These are fairly small. I think they're supposed to mimic the size of or the height of an average lip balm, and I'm just going to compare it to my Wayne Goss lipstick, just a little bit taller, and then this is comparing against Chantecaille, and then this is Chanel's Cocoa Bloom. It doesn't match any lipstick sizes that I have in my collection, so I thought it was rather unique. Because it is a liquid lip balm, I think they want to keep it small and easy to carry with you for that reason. I mean, this is very easy to fit in your pocket if you're just running an errand and you do want to have some lip balm with you. So let's get on to the hand swatches. We'll first start with the shade Nunu, and Nunu is what I have on. It's a very light, pretty pink shade. And that sheen. That is exactly what you're going to get on your lips. Then we have Garçonne, a plum shade. And I haven't tried this shade on. I can't wait. The lip balms do have a scent to them. They smell like lemon drop. It's absolutely delicious, and it's not offensive. It's not overly sweet. It dissipates quick enough. For the first maybe 15-20 minutes, if you are deliberate, you can still smell it, but it's just, I love that scent. The third shade I have is Puce, and this, I believe, is a nice bright shade as well. Nice pink. So we have that here. Because you've seen Nunu on me, I'm not going to put it on my lips again, so we're going to skip right to Puce. We'll save the deepest shade for last. And this is Puce. I think Puce has much more pigment than Nunu. Obviously, Nunu is fairly light here. It's like a baby pink. And you guys can see the sheen. It's definitely very, you know, it's a liquid lip balm and it's supposed to be really nourishing, but it could act as a lip gloss. What I'll do too after we try all of the shades is I'll try to put a lipstick and then add the lip balm on top of it to see what kind of effect you can get. Then we have Garçonne. And this is Garçonne. I think Garçonne is my favorite of the three shades because it does make for a dramatic lip, and there's just enough pigment that it almost looks like you do have lipstick on, but it's not, and it's like nourishing like a balm. I do like Garçonne. I think it goes with the eye look too today. Well, very nice. I'm very tempted to try the other shades too, especially the ones that are more pigmented. Yeah, I like this a lot. I did take out my Tower 28 lip glosses. Tower 28 is also known for its clean formulation. And I took the two shades that I thought might have some similarities to these three here. First we have Fearless. And so this is Fearless. It's not too similar to Garçonne. And this being my Puce, I think it's definitely much more purple. Although the color payoff and how pigmented it is for gloss is actually kind of similar to the lip balms. I think they're about the same. And then I have this pink here, XOXO. This is XOXO. It is much brighter than anything else I have swatched. These Tower 28 lip jellies is what they're called, have a sweet caramel scent. And I actually quite enjoy these. I would say because the Westman Atelier formulation is meant to be, really nourishing and hydrating, I do feel like, now that I've worn Nunu, or I had Nunu on for 4 hours, going on to 4 hours, and I noticed that as the product dissipates, as it gets absorbed into your lips, or transfers onto a glass or a meal, it really feels like a lip balm or like chapstick, for example. And it doesn't have any stickiness, so to reapply feels like really effortless. I don't need to wipe it off. I could just go back in and add another layer. The Tower 28 lip jellies are comfortable too, and that's why I enjoy them. But they do get just a little bit sticky as you get towards like 4 hours and onwards. And you do need to reapply. It might even feel better to like take it all off and then reapply. So I think that's a notable difference between a liquid lip balm that feels and starts to disappear and absorb into your lips like a lip balm versus something that's more lip gloss in nature or in formulation. Now I'm going to take off Garçonne and then I'll put lipstick on and apply the lip balms on top. I have here another clean formulation. This is from Victoria Beckham. This is her Posh lipstick line. This is in the shade Sway, and I think Sway is a good match with my Puce. So I will put this on and then layer the lip balm on afterwards. These lipsticks are also very, very comfortable, and they do have a good amount of sheen to them because they have a lot of oils in their formulation. So let me top it with the lip balm so you guys can see the sheen. This is an instant transformation. It's like I'm wearing liquid lipstick with a glossy finish, like high pigment liquid lipstick. Wow. Wow. Talk about juicy lips. Let me try another shade using a different Victoria Beckham lipstick, and we'll see how that turns out. I have here the shade Spice, which is fairly neutral, and I want to see if I could turn this into, like, again, a liquid lipstick effect with a gloss finish. And I am using the lightest lip balm shade, which is Nunu. I think this is so pretty. Something like this can go with any look. You just pop this on and turn it into high gloss. I love it. Wow. Really, really like that. Okay, this has been excellent. I'm going to try one more lipstick shade because I do want to top it with Garçonne. This is the shade Pose. I think it's going to be a great match. I actually think it's the perfect match. The two shades are so similar. Talk about dramatic effect. Wow. Well, I love this already. After this, I like them even more. Before we go, I think it's worth mentioning or talking about the applicator. It's flat on both sides, and the top is rounded, but it comes up to a tapered point, so it gives you a lot of precision and control when you want to basically line your lips even, or get these small areas here. And the flat type of applicator is my preferred. It's very similar to Suku's. This one doesn't have as much give as Suku's does, which is also an advantage. But this is fairly close to it, and let me show you Suku's liquid lipstick for comparison. So this is Suku's Comfort Lip Fluid Glow. This is in a gloss finish, and this is the applicator. Pretty much the same. I do think this has a more tapered point than Suku's. And also, while I have this out, I think it's worth showing you guys a swatch. So this is a fairly high gloss finish liquid lipstick, which is kind of what we have on right now. The combination of lipstick with the lip balm gives you this effect, but probably like just a little bit more sheen, and I love the shade. So the shade that I have here, this berry shade, is called Fuji Shizuku. I will link this below if you're interested, along with the Tower 28 lip jellies. Let me know below what you guys think of these lip balms. I do have more Westman Atelier makeup coming, which I plan to do a full face or close to full face of makeup using the brand. I'm really into clean makeup right now. I can see myself opting for clean formulations if I plan to wear makeup for like an entire day and it just kind of sits on the face for several hours. If you have other clean makeup brands you enjoy, please let me know below. I've tried quite a few. I've tried Milk, 100% Pure Cosmetics, Beauty Counter. Now we have Westman Atelier, some Tower 28, although limited here. I've tried a little bit of Ilia. I've also tried Kiara Weiss as well, a lipstick that turned out I didn't like it that much. Maybe I should give them another try at some other point. Well, thank you guys for watching. I will see you soon in the next one. I hope your weekend is going well. Bye.